Use of a or an. Look at your book, page number 66. Underline, children. Everything as I have underlined over here, you should also underline and go through it. Okay? Now, a is used before a word beginning with a consonant, as I explained to you before also. A woman, a year. Children, this is very important. Generally, you write an year. No, year, year. Y is sounding as year. An ear, E-A-R, ear. Okay, a year, year. So, a year. A hero, a history. Before such vowels as have the sound of U, as though it, see, these words are all starting with vowels, but they are carrying an article a. Why? Because they are all giving consonant sounds. Okay? A union, a university, a useful book, a European, a unit. They are all giving you the sound of consonant. They are, though they are starting with vowel, they are not making the sound of vowel, so they will carry a as an article. Next, before the word one, which begins with consonant sound of w, isn't it? A 1 rupee note. See, w, starting with a vowel but giving you consonant sound. So, a 1 rupee note. Such a one-eyed man. Very important, underline them. A one-eyed, not an one-eyed man. A one-eyed man. A one-way road. They are all, O is a vowel, but here it is not giving you the sound of vowel. The vowel sound of O is O, orange, O, and here it is making the sound of V. So, A is placed before all over here. Now, an is used before. Where will you use an? Words beginning with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, as, when A starting with vowels and giving you the vowel sound. An as, an enemy, an engine, an elephant, an Englishman, an inkpot, an Indian, an ox, an orange, an umbrella, an empty bottle, an ugly man. They all are starting with vowel and giving you the vowel sound. So you will place an as an article before them. Now say here, words beginning with a silent H. Here, an R, an honest man, an ear, an honorable man. So here everywhere H is silent. I explained you with an honest man. And all are giving the sound of vowel. They are starting with a vowel sound. So we have placed, it is written and before them. Understood? Now, children, this is also very important. Read them. Use of the. The definite article the. Where will you place the? You have to learn all this. When we refer to some particular person or thing, as before common nouns, when we are talking about particular person or thing, we use the. The boys of this school. We are not talking about all boys. In general, we are talking about the boys of this school are very obedient. Let us go to the club, talking about a particular club. So the is used. When a singular noun is used to indicate a whole class, the dog is a faithful animal. The dog here means dogs are faithful animals. The rose smells sweet. That means roses smell sweet. So when I am talking over here, the dog, the rose, I am talking about the entire category of dogs and roses. So the is used. Understood? Before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, gulfs, mountain ranges and group of islands, the Ganges, the Thames, the Godavari, the Persian Gulf, the Bay of Bengal, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Andamans, the Himalayas and the Alps. Okay, so before these, always the will be used. Any river, any ocean, any sea, any gulf, any mountain and any group of islands. Now, we say the Punjab, the Deccan, the United States of America and the UK also. Okay, so underline this and you mention because they refer to a group. The Punjab means land of 5 rivers, like this. Before the names of newspapers and sacred books. Before the name of newspapers and sacred books, the must be used. the Tribune, the Times of India, the Amrit Bazar Patrika, the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Purans, the Bible, the Quran. But we say Valmiki's Ramayana. That is another thing. Before common nouns, which are names of things unique of their kind. Unique means one of its kind. You do not get a duplicate copy of that. When I say the earth moves round the sun, earth is one, sun is also one. So the is used before both. The moon is shining in the sky. Moon is one and sky is also one. So the and the. The world is full of sorrow. World is one. So the. Unique means one of its kind. Before the directions, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Now, before no, east, west, north and south, the has to be written before the directions. Before the names of races or nations, races means communities, okay, or nations, the Hindus, the Muslims, the Christians. Here race does not mean somebody is running to win a race. Races refers to community. The Hindus, the Muslims, the Christians. The English defeated the French. Here English does not mean English subject. English means the people of England. French means the people of France. Okay. So the English defeated the French means the Englishmen defeated the people of the France. But the is not used before the name of languages. Underline this. If you talk about subject, then the will not be used. Hindi is easier than English. Not the Hindi is easier than the English. No. When you talk English and French as nations, as people of a country, then the will be used. Turn the page. Very important. Before adjectives in the superlative degree and before ordinal numbers, numerical adjectives. Ordinal means first, second, third, fourth, 23rd. Okay, like this. This is the. And superlative degree means best, worst, most beautiful, biggest, smallest. You have done degrees of comparison. So before superlative degree, we use the. This is the best book I have read. January is the first month of the year. First is ordinal number. Before an adjective, when the noun is understood, this is a new thing for class 5. Now when I say the rich should help the poor, means the rich people should help the poor people. Here noun is understood. In such case, the is used before them. The young and the old, the high and the low, all loved him. That means the young people and the old people, the high and the low. The people belonging to the high category and people belonging to the low category, all loved him. So here, these are adjectives, but here noun is understood. Though it is not written, but it is understood. So, the is used. Now omission of article. Where articles will not be used. Articles will not be used before the name of towns, before the name of countries, before the name of persons, before the name of mountain peaks. Mountain peak means Himalaya is a mountain, but Mount Everest is a peak. So you will not say the Mount Everest. The Himalayas you will say. Before the name of streets, the will not be written. Before the name of the days of the week, no, the Sunday, the Monday, the Tuesday. Before the name of the months of the year also, the will not be mentioned. So remember this. And before material nouns also, the will not be used. Not only material noun, before abstract noun also, the will not be used. Okay? Before material and abstract nouns, the is never used. So you should remember where articles are to be used and where articles are not to be used.